Alright, I'm gonna get a video of all the people that are here.
Okay.
Oh, good. Look at this guy.
Prime video.
You think people are gonna get mad?
What's up?
We're like blatantly filming them. Don't worry.
I wouldn't be happy about it.
Hey, you.
You wouldn't be happy?
Yeah, this is gonna be on YouTube.
This will be on YouTube.
You'll probably get a million hits.
Don't worry, you guys don't. Yeah, we're just happy with
Hey.
art.
I'm looking for a manga. Why do you ever wear?
No, they just think.
Oh my goodness.
Where?
Nice. To the left. It's like you see a sex.
I love foreign Asian people that try to dress all nice, you know?
Yeah.
Look at this guy right here.
On the wrong side of the van. Zoom in a little bit.
Like scrolling through all. Whoa, we got some Skrillex on hits.
Yeah. Oh, look, she's running. She's running.
Where's she going? Oh.
Hoover Dam.
This is awesome. There are some really cool people.
That bridge is amazing, you guys. Look at that. That's more amazing than the Golden Gate Bridge. Look at the arch right there.
Yeah, the bridge is pretty crazy.
Gosh, I just want to jump out real quick and run in there and see if I can see how deep that is.
Did you guys even notice these sculptures right here?
Yeah.
What are those?
Like angels or something. Hey, another cop car.
Don't hit the kids.
Hey, you're on camera.
Hey, sis.
Statues. Hoover Dam. Oh, look at this lady.
There's many tourists kind of like doing a place like this. I mean, it kind of makes sense. It's got a little identity, like being around places.
Smelly people.
There's a pipe.
Like this kind of place where it's cool to see.
Alright.
I would never go back or like ever go in that.
You wouldn't go to the gift store?
Or whatever, yeah.
Look at this bridge. You'll see it right here on the left side of it. It was on the other one. It's in the middle on this one. Look, someone can walk right up to the top of that. How scary would that be? See the ladder?
Yeah.
Dude, this bridge is more impressive than the dam.
I had no idea about the bridge.
Dude, that's just so much, like...
You know what? That might be the 93. That might be the bridge we might drive over that. I think we do. I think we're going to be over that in like 5 minutes. Now that would be cool. We'll get a good view of the dam from there for sure.
Alright.